Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add to My Stuff on Hulu. This continues our series on Hulu tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Hulu, make sure to check out all of our other videos. So the first step that you're going to have to take is you're going to have to sign into your account. Now I'm going to be showing you on a website browser, so it will be a little bit different through the Hulu app. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find whatever series or movie or whatever you would like to add to basically your watch list. It's called My Stuff. It's just basically a favorites list so you can find it faster. So find whatever you would like to. You can use the search bar up here. This gives you some recommended ones right here, or you can search whatever you would like. So let's just scroll down and we'll add one of these things right here. So you'll see the option, it'll have the option to watch your movie, or if you hit this plus button, Shrek was added to My Stuff. So once you're done that, you can X out of this, and we're going to go to My Stuff. Now you see that we have both TV shows and movies. Now they will be under two different things. So you've got your TV shows right here, and you've got your movies down here, and you will see the newest one is Shrek. If there's something that you're not interested in watching anymore, you can just hit the minus button right here. That'll check that. You can select whatever you would like to, and then once it's all set, you're going to go down and hit remove. It's going to make sure you want to remove this item from My Stuff. You're going to hit yes. You can continue that process as much as you would like. There's a bunch of different shows, movies, and things on Hulu, so make sure to check out all of them. And again, it's as simple as hitting this plus button. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks, and have a great day.